Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something seriously exciting lined up because we're diving into the world of AI video creation, and I mean that literally. We're going to take a deep look at AIVideo.com, an all-in-one platform that harnesses the power of 9 top-tier AI models to make video creation ridiculously easy, fast, and fun. Now, when I say all-in-one, I really mean it. This isn't just a tool that generates cool visuals. AI Video handles everything: scripting, visuals, voiceovers, sound effects, even editing. It's like having ChatGPT, CapCut, Premiere Pro, 11 Labs, and Midjourney all blended into one seamless experience. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or just someone who loves making videos, this platform can do the heavy lifting for you. So let's jump right in and see how it all works. First off, getting started is a breeze. Just head over to AIVideo.com. I'll leave the link down below. Click Sign In and create your account. Once you're inside, you're welcomed by a clean, user-friendly interface. You'll see your projects on the left and your credit count on the top right. There are only a couple of options to choose from, so the learning curve is practically non-existent. Let's go ahead and try the Generate Complete Video from Script or Topic feature. Here's where things get exciting. You can choose from a wide variety of templates. There's cinematic, comic book, cartoon style, old war, even Wild West vibes. You can also go fully custom if you want total control over the look and feel. I picked the cinematic style for my first test. For my prompt, I kept it simple. That's it. No script, no fancy extras, just the default settings to see how the platform performs right out of the box. You can also choose resolution, length, extra art styles like stickers or diagrams, and even upload references. Yes, if you have a specific character or product in mind, you can actually upload it to influence the visuals. That's still in beta, but it's an incredibly promising feature. I selected a 15-second runtime, turned on captions, chose a British male voice, Daniel, and added cinematic tension music. The final result cost 45 credits, and I hit Generate. Video Composer, create full videos with nothing but simple instructions. That's not just a catchy tagline, it perfectly sums up what AIVideo.com offers. Imagine turning a simple text prompt into a fully produced video without touching a camera, hiring a team, or learning complex editing tools. Just give it a few lines, a topic, a tone, maybe a message, and the AI does the rest. Script writing, visuals, voiceover, background music, even the effects, all automatically generated and beautifully synced. No more jumping between platforms or struggling to match assets. Everything happens in one place. Whether you're making explainer videos, product promos, historical reels, or storytelling content, AIVideo.com makes it feel effortless. AI-powered built-in video editor. Take full creative control with advanced AI tools, all within the editing interface. This isn't just another editor with a few AI features tacked on. This is a truly native AI video editing experience, one where every creative decision you make is supported, enhanced, and accelerated by powerful artificial intelligence built directly into the core of the platform. From the very first cut to the final render, you're working in a space designed for speed, simplicity, and creativity. Use your own style or characters. Consistency made effortless. Brand identity and visual consistency are everything. Whether you're creating marketing videos, storytelling content, or a series of educational explainers. With AIVideo.com, you don't have to start from scratch every time. You can upload your own characters, product references, or visual styles and let the AI build around your unique aesthetic. This means your videos will always look and feel like you. Same brand colors, same characters, same vibe, every single time. Whether it's an anime-style mascot, a realistic product render, or a cartoon version of your spokesperson, AI can integrate it seamlessly across scenes and formats. The best part? You don't need to manually replicate anything. Once your visuals are in, the AI handles the rest, generating video content that fits your brand voice without you having to micromanage the process.
Once upon a time in Galaxy.
The 100 free credits are generous, but if you're planning to make more than a few videos, you might want to check out the starter plan at $19 a month. That gets you 1,1800 credits month up to 120 AI video clips, 200 AI images, over 100 minutes of voiceover, 1,000 AI sound effects. Pretty solid deal, especially considering the time and effort it saves you. In a world where AI tools are everywhere, AIVideo.com stands out for one big reason. It's not just a video generator, it's a complete video production studio in your browser. Whether you're making YouTube shorts, educational content, cinematic trailers, or explainer videos, this tool makes it insanely easy to bring your ideas to life. If you're serious about content creation and want to cut down the time between concept and publish, this is a platform you'll want in your toolbox. Check it out. Links in the description. Let me know if you want a shorter or more casual version too.